In a world that celebrates noise and constant movement, there is a quiet strength most people overlook. We are taught that being powerful means being fast, loud, and always busy. That if you slow down, you fall behind. But if the real power is the ability to stay calm, calm is not weakness, calm is not laziness, calm is clarity. It is the ability to stay steady when everything around you feels chaotic. It is seeing clearly that others are overwhelmed. It is choosing your response instead of reacting. Today, we are going to talk about why calmness is your true power and how can you build it, protect it, and use it in your daily life. And the problem, why we need this superpower. Let's be honest. Most of us are tired, not just physically, but mentally also. We live in a world that never stops talking to us. Notifications, messages, deadlines, news, social media. We are always on. If we rest, we feel guilty. If we slow down, we feel unproductive. If we disconnect, we feel like we are falling behind. That's always on trap. Your brain can never design to live like this. And over time, this constant pressure creates stress. Stress is like an alarm system in your body. It was designed to protect you in danger, not to run all the day long. When that alarm stays on, your thoughts become cloudy, your sleep gets lighter, your patience gets shorter, you feel tired and even after resting. This is just burnout. And here is the dangerous part. When we are stressed, we don't become stronger. We become reactive. We say things we don't even mean. We make poor decisions. We lose focus on what we truly matters. Stress doesn't make you better. It makes you scattered. That's why calm is not a luxury. It's a necessity. What calm is a superpower really mean? Let's redefine calm. Calm is not silence. Calm is not doing nothing. Calm is control. Calm is clarity, the X-ray vision. When your mind is calm, you see clearly. You don't panic at every problem. You don't overthink every message. You see the situation for what it is, not what it fear makes it. It's like turning a light in a dark room. Suddenly everything makes sense. You stop guessing, you stop assuming, you start understanding. Calm is focus, the laser beam. A distracted mind is like a flashlight shaking in every direction. It lights up nothing clearly. But a calm mind is like a laser beam, focused, precise, and powerful. When you calm, you don't try to be everything at once. You do one thing properly. And that's why calm people often do more with very less effort. Calm is strength, the rock. Think of a storm. Wind is loud, waves crash, everything moves, but the rock stays still. That's calm strength. When problems come, calm people don't panic. They pause. They think, they act with intention. That's why people trust them. That's why they become leaders even without trying. How to use your superpower. Now let's talk about how to actually build this calm in real life. Rule number 1. Build a wall, set the boundaries. You need clear borders between work and rest. When everything blends together, your mind never rests. Choose a time when work ends. Choose a place where work doesn't enter. When you close your laptop, really close it. When you step away, be present. Rest is not laziness, rest is maintenance. A machine that never stops breaks. So protect your energy like it matters, because it does matter. Rule number 2. The 2-minute reset. You don't need long vacations to feel calm. You need small resets. When you finish a task, stop. Stand up. Walk to a window, look outside. Breathe slowly, breathe out slowly, just 2 minutes. This simple act tells you a nervous system you're safe, you can relax now. These 2 minutes reset your brain more than scrolling ever will. Rule number 3, know your limits. Your body speaks like before it breaks down. Irritation, tiredness, lack of focus, short temper, these are the signals, not weaknesses. Ask yourself, how do I feel right now? If the answer is stressed, listen to it. Slow down, step back, apply rule number 1 and rule number 2. Ignoring the signals lead to burnouts. Listening to it builds the strength. Calmness is not boring, it is powerful. It gives you clarity when others panic, focus when others scatter, strength when others collapse. You don't need to escape your life to feel calm. You just need to change how you move through it. You can be productive without pressure. You can be successful without suffering. The goal is simple: do meaningful work from a peaceful mind. Today, choose one small change, one boundary, one pause, one breathe, because you are calm and is your superpower. And it's really, really, really inside you. If this session added a value to your day, you're welcome to subscribe for more videos. New content is shared regularly. Focus on clarity, calm, and your personal growth.